Hey guys, I hope you're having an amazing day. I just wanted to go over quickly how to put together a mood board for like a lifestyle shoot or a branding shoot, because if you haven't organized a photo shoot before, some people are a little unclear on what it entails or what it means. It's not anything big or scary and you can't do it wrong. It's more just like a visual reference for you and your photographer to kind of understand what each other are talking about, because sometimes when one person says one thing, somebody else, that means something totally different to them. So when I'm working with clients trying to put together a photo shoot, I always ask for like what's their vision or any reference photos so that I can really get a good idea of what they're talking about and look they're kind of going for. Usually I am assuming that when someone comes to me that they like my style and they like how I shoot, so I'm probably thinking they're going to want something within that style. But with the mood board, we can really sort of hash out like ideas on location, certain poses. If it's a branded photo shoot, like knowing where those photos are going. Are they for your website? Do you need like header images? Should we be trying to shoot with negative space so you can add text into those photos? Or if it's on your website, like are we shooting horizontal images, or do you kind of want more portrait photos, or a mix of both? I always try and shoot content for both just to have those options. But if you're really know exactly where you want to use those photos and what you want to do with them, it's really good to communicate that with your photographer as well. So in a mood board, usually I would include like sort of wardrobe ideas, any makeup reference photos for kind of look and feel, especially if you're working with hair and makeup artists, location ideas, couple examples of the sort of shots that you're kind of going for. So whether those are more close-up headshots, further back, so you're kind of getting more of like lifestyle, like vibe, understanding like where you are. Are you going to bring props like laptop or like your favorite coffee cup, or like journals, or anything that really reflects your brand? I always tell people that if they are branding photos, to try and incorporate your branding colors either in like the props you're using or what you're wearing. Can be a really great way to do it, so it will kind of cohesively go with everything that's on your website or wherever else you're kind of displaying those photos. So yeah, I would just say like references of like the location, poses, hair and makeup, wardrobe, any specific shots that you really like the pose or like what the person's doing. Pinterest is a great resource to find these. I also like Instagram, and so you can pretty easily save everything you find to a Pinterest board and send that to your photographer, or even just sending like screenshots works really well too. So I hope that helps you with how to plan your next mood board, and that you have an amazing day. See ya!